Hey guys, it's Normo here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be reviewing another money making app called Checkpoints. With this app, you earn points by scanning barcodes, discovering places, playing games, and completing surveys. Ensure to stay until the end of the video to learn how you can multiply your earnings passively. If you want this app, click the special link in the description below to download it. So if you want to learn more ways to make money only using your phone, start by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell to get notified every time I release a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the app. So yes guys, as you can see, we are on the home screen of the app, and at the bottom there are 4 categories: What's At, In-Store, Surveys, and Rewards. On the What's At category, you can see scan barcodes, find and discover local services near you, refer friends, and instant win by playing games, and it also gives notification on other prize winners. On the in-store category is where you can go to different stores and complete the given task that is offered there, and currently it is not available. At the survey category, you will create a survey profile, and then you will be able to take quick surveys and also regular surveys. So as you can see at the top where it says survey profile, you will first create a survey profile, and then based on that profile you will get surveys according to your profile. And last but not least, the rewards category. You can also play games here, and most importantly, cash out your points. So as you can see, there are a variety of prizes such as PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, and many more. So guys, we have come to the end of the video, and remember to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below, and share this video with a friend. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.